Hey everyone! Are you struggling to turn leads into clients? Well, today, I'll show you how to tracking lead behavior and using insights to boost conversions that help you grow your business using GoHighLevel. So, let's dive in. Tracking lead behavior gives you insights into where your leads are in their journey, what's capturing their attention, and what actions they're taking. This data is essential for crafting personalized follow-ups that can turn those leads into clients. First, head to the Sites tab in GoHighLevel. Here you can see each lead's position in your funnel and monitor their engagement. For more detailed insights, check out the Analytics tab. This is where you can track how leads interact with your page view, conversion rate, and even your website. Now that you have your lead data, here are a couple of strategies to boost your conversions. Personalized follow-ups. Send tailored messages based on lead actions. For example, if a lead opens your email but doesn't click any links, follow up with a helpful message. Behavior-based automations. Set up automations to trigger specific follow-ups. If a lead visits your pricing page, you can automatically send them an enticing offer. How cool is that? And there you have it. Ready to enhance your workflow and elevate your lead management game? Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial today and take the first step towards seamless business growth. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call to ensure a smooth onboarding experience. Check the links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more GoHighLevel tutorials and latest tips. Thanks for watching.